Now here's another example. You can see that right now we are in a downtrend this time, and we can draw a trend line connecting all of these lower highs. And as you can see right here, price has bounced off this trend line multiple times, which makes it a very valid trend line. Because remember, at least 3 touches, and right now it has more than 3 touches, so we are good. So right now the next step is to obviously wait for price to break out of this trend line. So we still wait, and as you can see, like right here at this point of time, this is when price break out of the trend line. Let me just zoom in. So this is the candlestick that broke out of the trend line. So what we're going to do is to take out your box tool. Once again, take out your rectangle tool, and I want you to like literally highlight this candlestick right here, and then just draw a box around here. Just drag the entire box and just drag it to the right like this. So these 2 candlesticks are the ones that broke out of this trend line. Remember guys, you do not want to enter immediately when price break out of the trend line. That is like newbie way to trade. Alright, that is newbie way. We are professionals now. So we want to wait for price to come back down to this box. Then that is when we enter for the trade. So you can see price went back up, and then we can see right now it's coming back down. Okay, once it came back down to this rectangle area, we are waiting for some sort of confirmation that tell us that price is rejecting this little box and it's gonna head back up. That is when we enter for the trade. At this point of time, this is where I will enter for our buy position, because price gave us a long wick candle multiple times. Once again, you can see there's a lot of candles that gave us long wicks right here, which pretty much just show us that price is rejecting this strong area and it's gonna go back up right now. So right here, this is when I will enter for a buy position. Place your stop loss below this rectangle area, below like this candlestick that broke off the trend line right here, right? And by the way, if you wanted to get a sniper entry, you can enter when this doji candlestick form right here. At this point of time, this is when the doji candlestick form, which show us that this little retracement right here is losing momentum and the buyers are gonna take over. So at this point of time, you can just enter right there. And also at this point of time, this is when like price has come back down to the candlestick that broke out of the trend line. So you know what, we'll just enter right here actually. So this point right here, this is the last touch before price broke out of the trend line. So this is your first take profit, and as you can see, price just like smashed our take profit already. And then your second take profit could be at the second area, the second point, which is right here. And I want you to remember this very important point. There is no guarantee that price is going to get up all the way up to this level or even up to this level right here. There is no guarantee, right? What we want to do is to just like react to the market. So what I mean by that is that if I see price like go up and then go to like near this area around here and then starts reversing and heading back down, guess what? I'm gonna be getting out of the trade, alright? I'm not gonna be stupid enough to hold the trade, alright? So yeah, first take profit smash. Let's see if we can smash this second take profit. Okay, you can see like price go up, come back down to this area to retest it, and then go up. So at this point of time, you can draw a second resistance area right here. You can see there's a second resistance area right here, and you can see price just consolidating at this area here. At this point of time, what you can do is that you can move your stop loss, right? You can move your stop loss right here. So right here, your new stop loss will be below this last higher low, because remember, as price creates structure, as price like create your higher highs and higher lows, you always want to make sure that you move your stop loss. This is the last higher low. So now price is creating your new higher low. So I'll just move my stop loss right here in case like price reverse and head back down. Then guess what? We will still get stopped out in some profits. Because remember, we entered for a buy position right here. So even if we get stopped out right here, we are still in profit. So we wait. Okay, you can see like price just stop us out like this. This is the reality of trading, right? There is no strategy that is gonna work all the time. Sometimes the strategy just does not work. And right here, I just wanted to show you guys and be honest with you that sometimes the strategy might not work. In this case, you always want to make sure that you adapt and react to the market. So in this case, we just got stopped out, but guess what? We did not lose any money at all, because this was a risk-free trade. Because remember, our stop loss was originally right here, and now we have moved our stop loss right here. So now we got stopped out, and guess what? We are still in profit because we entered all the way down here. So right now you can see, even though we got stopped out, we are still in profits.